you like our videos, please click on the subscribe and bell button to receive notifications to our channel. None of the stocks mentioned herein should be considered as stock recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information presented here. Friends, since the time we started our channel, the one common comment across all our videos has been to go ahead and record our content in Hindi. Now, it was not directly possible because we also have a non-Hindi speaking audience and we have to take care of their needs as well. So what we did was we went ahead and launched a simultaneous channel in Hindi where all the audio would be in Hindi. So I'm providing a link at the top of the screen. So please go ahead, watch those videos and subscribe to this channel if Hindi is your preferred language. Sanjay Bakshi is a professor at MDI Gurgaon and is also a managing partner of ValueQuest Capital. Here we present 5 stocks from his portfolio. Now, the first company that we're talking about is Accelya Kale Solutions Limited, and this is a software solutions provided to the global airline and travel industry. The company is involved in computer programming, consultancy, and related activities. Now, its geographical segments are primarily APAC, Middle East and Africa, the Americas, and Europe. Now, it delivers software products, managed processes, technology, and hosting services. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart for the stock, you would essentially see that it's almost been at the same level at which it started the year and hence has not done anything much during the entire year. The market cap of the company is 2170.28 crores, which makes it just above a small cap standard and is like a small mid cap. The EPS is 59.53 and the price earnings ratio is 24.42, which is slightly above the industry PE of 18.94. The book value is 110.33, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book of 13.18. The 52-week high is 1890 and the 52-week low is 1100.00. Now, the second company on the list is CCL Products Limited. Now, CCL Products Limited is engaged in the manufacture of instant coffee. The company operates through the coffee and coffee-related product segment. It engages in the manufacture of soluble instant spray-dried coffee powder, spray-dried aggregated granulated coffee, freeze-dried coffee, and freeze-concentrated liquid coffee. The company's brands included Continental Special, Continental Premium, and Continental Supreme. Now, if you were to look at the stock chart, you would see that after a hike at the start of the year, the stock has pretty much done nothing and is almost at the same level at which it started the year at. The market cap is 4129.85 crores, which makes it a mid cap. The EPS is 7.11, which means that the stock is trading at a price to earnings ratio of 43.66. This is above industry standard of 37.91 PE. The book value is 41, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book of 7.57. The dividend yield for the stock is 1.13 and the 52-week high is 372. The 52-week low is 230. Now, the third company on the list is Wonderla Holidays Limited. Now, Wonderla Holidays Limited is engaged in the business of amusement parks and resorts. The company's segments include amusement parks, resorts, and others. The company operates approximately 3 amusement parks in Kochi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad under the brand name Wonderla. Now, if you were to see the one-year stock, you would also see that this stock also has done not much. There's been a slight hike towards the last part of the year, but other than that, there's nothing to talk about. The market cap is 2063.69, which is a mid cap, just like above the size of a small cap. The EPS is 6.47, which means that the stock is trading at a price to earnings ratio of 56.45. The industry PE is 31.02. The book value for the stock is 77.18, which means that the stock is trading at a price to book ratio of 4.73. The dividend yield percent is 0.27, whereas the dividend percent is 10. The face value of the stock is 10 and the 52-week high is 417.80. The 52-week low is 316. The fourth company on the list is TVS Srichakra Limited. Now, this company is a holding company and is engaged in the manufacture of tires and tubes. Now, if you were to look at this company, it also has a few subsidiaries, which are TVS Srichakra Investments Limited and TVS Europe Distribution Limited. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart for the company, the story here is also the same. It has also not done much for the entire year. The market cap of the company is 2378.47 crores, which means that it's a small mid cap. The EPS is 165.42, which means that the price earnings ratio is 18.78, which is slightly above the industry PE of 17.88. The book value for the stock is 750.91, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book ratio of 4.14. The face value is 10. The dividend yield for the stock is 1.63 and the dividend percent is 507. The 52-week high for the stock is 4340, whereas the 52-week low is at 2325.05. Now, the fifth and final company on the list is Kitex Garments Limited. Now, this company is an India-based company engaged in the manufacture of fabric and ready-made garments. The company operates through two business segments, garments and fabric. The company exports cotton garments, principally infant wear. The company exports its product to the United States and European markets. The company's products include baby suits, rompers, bibs, sleepwear, burbs, and training pants. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, the stock has also done very badly throughout the entire year. The market cap of the stock is 1.1452.03 crores, which means that the stock is a small cap. The EPS is 13.48, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to earnings ratio of 16.20. The book value is 68.52, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book ratio of 3.19. The industry PE is 43.53, which is much higher compared to the current PE ratio enjoyed by the company. The 52-week high is 383.53, whereas the 52-week low is 206.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.